Which hot sauce is actually worth the heat? Today, I'm taste testing 32 different hot sauces, from mild to extreme, to find out which one reigns supreme. Stick around for the ultimate spice challenge. Welcome to Speedy Chef. Today, we're putting 32 hot sauces to the test, ranking them from mild to wild to see which ones deliver the best flavor and heat. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about hot sauce labels. The first ingredient is the most important. If it's vinegar, expect a tangy sauce. If it's peppers, prepare for heat. Scoville Heat Units, or SHU, measure spiciness. And watch out for added preservatives and fillers. More additives can mean less natural heat. Now, on to the mild and classic hot sauces. Tabasco, vinegar-forward mild, and great for eggs. Texas, Pete, a little thicker but still light on spice. Cholula, balanced with a touch of sweetness. Frank's RedHot, iconic for buffalo wings, but heavy on salt. Next, medium heat and complex flavors. Sriracha, sweet, garlicky, and globally loved. Heartbeat hot sauce, pepper forward with a fresh jalapeño flavor. Melinda's red Savina, a mix of heat and citrusy tang. Ginger goat, infused with turmeric and cilantro, perfect for chicken. Now we're heating up with high heat and specialty sauces. Ghost pepper sauce, intense heat with smoky undertones. Pineapple Express, sweet and fiery Scotch bonnet blend. Chipotle Express, rich, smoky heat with a punch of Pepper X. Carolina Reaper, hot sauce. Pure fire, not for beginners. Finally, the extreme heat challenge. Apollo pepper sauce, pure pepper oil, mind-blowingly hot. Reaper squeezes, not just heat, it's pain in a bottle. Pepper X sauce, the world's hottest pepper. Tested live. Chocolate and brandy cherry, hot sauce, a surprising mix of sweetness and extreme spice. Now you know which hot sauces bring the best heat and flavor. Which one would you dare to try? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more fiery taste tests. Want to see more spicy food challenges? Check out our Speedy Chef playlist for the hottest reviews and cooking tips.